Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy summer scarf. So let's get started. I am using a 2.5mm crochet hook for my project and this 3-ply yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot and then we would make chains with the help of crochet hook for our scarf. So start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, chain 10, chain 11 and then chain 12. So in this way make 300 more chains. So I have made 300 chains. You can increase or decrease the number of chains according to your size. So now for our first row, start making 3 more chains. 1, 2 and then 3. These 3 chains will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 again, and we would skip these 5 and then 2 more chains, and into the 8th chain from the hook we would start working. So go into this 8th chain and we would make a double crochet in it, 3 loops on our hook, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 again, and then again skip 2 chains, and into the 3rd one we would make a double crochet stitch. So this is how our row would look like. Make 2 chains again and skip 2 chains and go into the 3rd chain and make a double crochet stitch in it. Again make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2 and skip 2 chains, go into the 3rd one and make a double crochet in it. Again make 2 chains, skip 2 chains and into the 3rd one make a double crochet stitch. Remember, you have to make chains multiples of 3. So make multiple of 3, like I have made 300 chains. So if you want to increase or decrease the number of chains, then take care that you have to chain multiple of 3. So in this way complete the round by making 2 chains, skipping 2 chains and into the 3rd one make a double crochet till the end. So now I have completed my first row and we would start our second row now. For the second row make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 again, which will be counted as first double crochet stitch. Then make chain 1 and then chain 2 again and turn your work. Go into this double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Now make 2 chains again, chain 1 and then chain 2 and go into the next double crochet stitch after chain 2 and make a double crochet in it. Again make chain 1 and then chain 2, go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Make chain 2 and make a double crochet in the next double crochet stitch. So do it till the end of first row in the same way. So I have made all chain 2 and double crochet stitch except the last one. So in the last make 2 chains, and now we would make double crochet in this turning chain and we would make double crochet in the 3rd chain. So skip 2 chains and into the 3rd chain make a double crochet stitch. So these boxes are made. Now make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Then make 2 more chains again and go into this double crochet stitch, which is the second double crochet stitch, and make a double crochet in it. Make 2 chains again and make a double crochet in the next double crochet stitch. So in this way we would make 2 chains and we would make a double crochet in every double crochet stitch of the previous row, and we would complete our third row with the same process again. And in the end we would make our last double crochet stitch in the turning chain, which is the third chain. So repeat the process in this way, and then we would get these boxes type design. So make more rows like this. So I have made 10 rows. You can make 12 rows if you want to make more wide scarf, or you can also decrease 1 or 2 rows if you want. I have also added tassels in every row. So 10 tassels are added from to one side and 10 tassels are added on the other side. So now I will show you how I have attached tassels. And this is our last tassel. I have made the tassel with 2 different colors, pink and this grey color, which is used in this scarf. So take this tassel sides in this box and take this sides from this hole, and now the tassel is attached in this way. Now pull it a little bit. In this way I have attached all tassels, and now we would make our tassels fine and aligned. So for this purpose I would make all tassels fine, and now we would use a hair comb. So make all these tassels fine just with the help of this hair comb. And after making them fine, just measure the other side tassel and cut these extra threads with the help of a scissor. So I have cut them and the scarf is ready. All tassels are nicely equal. So this is a long enough scarf. You can make it more long or in a short size too if you want. So this is a very beautiful and quick and easy summer scarf. So hope so you would love this scarf idea. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.